Alright, I gotta show you something. Got the transmission apart, and I pulled this plate off. I think you can see, well, it's like sand and a lot of metal. Let's see if it's metal here, this magnet. Yeah, a lot of that's metal shavings. Now check this out. See if you can get in there. This is what I pulled out of there, off of the bottom. Scooped. So I'm not sure if this transmission's shot or what. See, there's like a rigid surface inside of this. It's gonna be tough to clean that, but wow, you can see back in there, it's a little rough. Get some light. Yeah, it's all sand and yeah, dirt. It kind of creates this layer of muck on the bottom. So yeah, I think this transmission might not be a good choice. Might have to take it out of the other car. Yeah, probably take that one apart too and inspect it. Going back to some of the body work I've been doing, like I said before, I've got the heater channels both in, and the only thing I have left really on this front side here is this area. So you can kind of see up in here. Got a new piece on the other side. You can sort of see how much I had to cut away from the Napoleon's hat to make that that curve there. And I'm gonna have to sort of fabricate a piece to fit that shape right here. Alright, so I've got most of my welding done, enough that I thought I should start putting seam sealer over it. And one thing I wanted to do is address all of these holes underneath the dash. I have no idea what was mounted here. So I was gonna just graft a section from the other car. However, the other car, we actually have holes here too. And there were little pieces of duct tape sticking to the holes, basically, just blocking them. They're not bad, but there's still holes. I don't know if I can even use this. On top of everything else, there is this this utility fan. It almost looks like it's from a hair dryer or something. And it basically just wired to the ignition switch and a little on and off switch. It blows air down on the driver's leg and air up into the dash, I guess. Well, let's take that out.